Hello, camera enthusiasts. Today, let's dive into the Olympus OM-D E-M1, a powerhouse in the world of mirrorless cameras. If you're curious about its capabilities and main features, stick around because we're about to get into all the details you need. The Olympus OM-D E-M1 is known for its robust build and weather-sealed body, designed for photographers who want a camera that can handle diverse environments. With a magnesium alloy construction, it's dust-proof, splash-proof, and freeze-proof, making it a reliable companion for shooting in tough conditions. Whether you're capturing moments in the rain or photographing in cold climates, this camera won't let you down. One of the standout features of the E-M1 is its advanced autofocus system. It uses a dual fast AF system, combining phase detection and contrast detection AF. This provides fast and accurate focusing even on moving subjects, which is particularly beneficial for sports and wildlife photography. The camera's 81-point AF grid covers a wide area, ensuring you can lock onto your subject with ease. Let's talk about the image quality. The OM-D E-M1 comes with a 16.3 megapixel live MOS sensor and the powerful TruePic 7 image processor. This combination delivers sharp, vibrant images with impressive dynamic range. The sensor, despite being a micro four thirds, performs well in various lighting conditions, offering low noise even at higher ISO levels. Another strong point of the E-M1 is its 5-axis image stabilization. This feature reduces camera shake and allows you to shoot handheld, even in low light, without worrying about blurry photos. It compensates for movements across multiple axes, making it effective for both photography and video recording. This is a game changer for those who prefer shooting without a tripod. When it comes to video, the E-M1 doesn't disappoint either. It supports full HD 1080p video at up to 60 FPS, offering smooth footage. The built-in stabilization also plays a crucial role here, reducing the need for additional stabilizing equipment. While it may not shoot 4K video, the quality and ease of use make it a solid choice for enthusiasts who prioritize versatility. For those who love connectivity, the camera features built-in Wi-Fi, allowing for seamless image transfer and remote control through the Olympus Image Share app. You can easily share your shots on social media or use your smartphone as a remote trigger, which is great for group photos or self-portraits. To sum up, the Olympus OM-D E-M1 offers a well-rounded experience with its solid build, excellent autofocus, and impressive image stabilization. It's a versatile camera that caters to both photographers and videographers looking for reliability and performance. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions about the E-M1 or what you want us to cover next. See you in the next video.